are wrapping up American Heart Month, and heart disease is the #1 killer of American men and women.
What you eat can dramatically influence your heart's health. Nutritionist and celebrity health coach Karina Heinrich shares some healthy foods.
Hi, good morning. Thanks so much for having me back today. So let's start by showing some love to our hearts and choosing the right foods that can lower blood pressure, cholesterol levels, inflammation, and triglycerides. Let's start with my absolute favorite, which are berries. They're so easy to incorporate into your day-to-day. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, they're jam-packed with important nutrients that play a central role in heart health. I recommend getting 1 to 2 cups per day, add to smoothies, oats parfaits, or just eat them on their own. Next is whole grains, which we've heard a lot about in relation to heart health, and for good reason, because studies show that eating whole grains is associated with lower levels of cholesterol and blood pressure. Common types of whole grains that are so easy to add into your diet include whole wheat, brown rice, oats, rye, barley, buckwheat, and quinoa. 1 to 2 servings a day is all you need. Oats in the morning, a sandwich for lunch, and you're good to go. Next is leafy greens, which you know as a nutritionist, I'm gonna say eat your greens, but they're really important. Things like spinach, kale, collard greens are well known for their wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. You wanna try to get 3 to 4 giant handfuls of greens a day, which I know you can do. Really easy to add into salads or even into those smoothies. Avocados, everyone's favorite. This is an excellent source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that have been linked to reduced levels of cholesterol. Half an avocado a day is what you want to aim for. And then next comes fatty fish. So things like salmon that are really high in omega-3 fatty acids. They can reduce blood pressure, triglycerides, and cholesterol. 4 ounces a few times a week will do the trick. Nuts and seeds, my fave. Things like walnuts, almonds, pumpkin seeds. These have been shown to reduce inflammation. You want to stick to the unsalted versions and around 1/4 cup serving. So I love making my Karina Method peanut butter protein bites as a power snack using these ingredients. You can make a trail mix, granola. It's really easy to incorporate. And the next comes olive oil, which is a staple in the Karina Method diet. The heart healthy benefits of olive oil are well documented because they're packed with antioxidants. A couple of teaspoons a day in salad dressing, stir fries, grilled veggies, or protein is absolutely perfect. And then finally, everyone's favorite, dark chocolate, because it's so rich in antioxidants. You want to make sure you're looking for a dark chocolate that has at least 70% cacao, and you want to stick to 1 to 2 squares, unfortunately, per day to reap those benefits and not go overboard. So these are all heart-healthy foods that are so easy to incorporate, and they're delicious too.